Alright folks, here we are. This is what we're working on for our summertime hunting. For the folks that gets too hot down here, I believe that we can still pull off this summertime hunting like we do our winter hunting. And this is what we're going to go with. I got Mr. Leo Gerard in. He's from Vermont, and he's coming in. And the rifle that you're set up with, can you tell me about it, Mr. Leo?
This is a .308 caliber DPMS rifle that I bought to hunt hogs here in Florida. And seeing that I'm from Vermont, I can also use it to go deer hunting with. I've equipped it with a illuminated scope. It's a 2 to 6 power Strike Eagle Vortex scope. And then it's got the aim point red laser light on it.
Correct.
And it also has the green ambush light that will light up well into 100 yards. And it's a .308 caliber, and to me it's a multi-purpose gun, so that's why it's here in Florida with me.
Well, we're going to get it set up with his equipment tonight. Mr. Leo's going to be setting with me. And at the same time, when we see everything coming in, I'm actually going to be using the Generation 1 binoculars, night vision. So the whole concept of this, folks, is you don't have to buy thousands of dollars of equipment to come in here and enjoy yourself with a good hunt. You can sit here and come in here with some affordable product, is what I'm trying to get out here to push for coming in here to South Florida when it's 90 to 100 degrees right before dark. So we're looking at the Generation 1 night vision binoculars, and also what our guns are equipped with is the ND3 green light. So I'm going to push these ND3 green lights to see how good they are on our night hunting here in South Florida. Then also, it's very important this time of year, because it's hot, it's dry, and these mosquitoes are hatched out. So be sure you're equipped with a Thermacell, because spray does not work. So I'm going to let everybody know now, spray does not work. Them hogs can smell that from 100, 200 yards away. I use the Earth Scent Pad on the Thermacell. We're going to go with the Thermacell, Generation 1 binoculars, ND3 hooked up on mine and Edge rifles, and then we got Mr. Leo's product that he's put together himself. So we're just going to see, which is all cheap products, so y'all understand this. This ain't thousands of dollars of equipment on this nighttime hunting. So we're going to see if we can get it done, Mr. Leo.
Yes, sir.
See if we make it work.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned, folks. Turn your green light on. Oh no.
Oh, crap.
There he is, buddy.
Yep.
Look what we pulled off. What do you think about that, huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yep.
Was that a hell of a job we did this season or what? Folks, this is how we got it done here at Kissimmee River Hunting Fish with Mr. Leo Gerard, my buddy.
A little teamwork.
A little teamwork right here. You want to explain to the folks at home what we did here?
Yeah, well, it had the laser. Apparently my green light scares them away, so...
It was too wide field, wasn't it?
Too wide a field, so the laser is zeroed in with the scope, the red laser dot. So what we did is we had Dwayne watch this through the night vision goggles, and then I dropped the red laser down onto it was time to shoot, and then he told me to pull the trigger, and here we are.
Hey, is that not cool or what?
Isn't that awesome?
What a hell of a hunt, buddy.
Wow,
Give me a hand, brother.
Pretty awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.
Wow.
Well, folks, we figured out how to get it done, and we realized that these lights that Mr. Leo's running here is too wide of a field, and it boogers them as soon as you get it on. So we studied it a little bit, and we pulled it off with just a laser. So the ND3 is the way to go with these green lights because you can put a little bitty beam on them. The big beams, the wide field on them, it won't work for us. So the ND3 with the little beam is the way to go. Ain't that what we figured out, Leo?
That seems to be the story, yep.
All right, great hunt, my friend.
Pretty awesome.